All right, this is the project, Ts-Exo truck. We went down south of Portland, got a 2007 Acura TSX with K24 engine, lacking a back passenger door, driver's side back door. We're gonna strip this thing down, make an Exo car out of it, and replace the engine, do a whole bunch of fun stuff. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, we're gonna make it happen.
All right, let's check under the hood. Oh, plastic piece is falling off. There we go. Yeah, that thing's probably trashed. But we didn't buy it for the engine. Bought it for the frame. All right, let's get to work. Day one.